Got here this huge heavy box from my fan mail. I open it up and it's a box of knives. So mystery box from fan mail. So let's see, these knives are really expensive. This is half-breed knives. And there's like 3 boxes inside. I only opened one of them and I realized what it was. Actually 2 boxes in here. I was like, I gotta film that. That's just epic. Okay, now we condense down. Let's see what's inside. Okay, open them up. I actually looked them up and they're actually pretty expensive knives. So this is high-end knives. Some of them like $200 or more. So there you go. There's a little knife right here. Ooh, that's smooth. I really love that. Do you see how smooth that is? Half-breed. Wow, that's a nice pocket folding knife. Look at all the swag it comes with. Wow, with the patch and everything. People love patches on knives like that. And let's see how much more knives we have here. These giant boxes. Wow, what is this? I'm so curious to see what's inside here. This right here at least like $200 knife. This is very expensive knives. This is probably like $1,000 or a couple $1,000 worth of knives. I don't even know how many knives is there. Whoa, look at that boxes. No way. Wow, that's a hatchet with a belt clip. And there's a little note about here. Ooh, bunch of swag. Yeah, that's good. Patches and everything. That is awesome. Stickers, everything about it. LRA 01 large rescue axe. You know guys, I love axes. You know what, this is like high quality packaging, as you can see. Never seen half breeds, so I had to Google them, and you know what, they sell them everywhere. Knife center and everything else. So there you go. There's a pretty heavy axe. There's a different belt loop. Let's see how they come out. I bet you just pull it on right here. There you go. Wow, it is incredibly heavy, and that's why. Look at that. It's all one piece of metal all the way around. Half-breed blade D2 steel, and that's a big piece of steel. It is really heavy. Wow, that's mean. Pretty cool. I love axes, hatchets and knives. There you go, one of them. And the boxes are total beauty. I can't believe it. Never had a hatchet look like that. Hatchets, high-end hatchets, usually very expensive. That's huge. So thank you so much, Half-Breed, for sending it to me to do the unboxing and review. So it looks like this is the same thing, but 10. Whoa! Actually seems to be a little bit smaller, and there's quite a few edges. So open this up and then pull this out. Whoa, that is cute. I love that one. Look at that. You can hold it this way too. That is awesome. And look at that one piece of metal. It's not gonna break on you, that's for sure. Just keep it sharpened and stuff. That is cute one right here as well. Love it that it comes with 2 different buckles, and there's a name of the product. That is epic. And then there's another certificate of authenticity. The best boxes ever. Wow, Half-Breed. I'm definitely gonna buy some in the future. Now that I have a little collection, we're gonna explore some more. This one looks like a fixed blade knife. I never seen a fixed blade knife in such a big box. Wow. Wow, look at that. 10 color to it. Half-breed blades, D2 blade as well. Wow, logo over here, and you have right here the knife sheath. Ooh, that is beautiful. I love that. I don't know what color is that. Easy to take it out. Wow. Let's see what kind it is. I love it that they give you everything about it. Let's see if the axe have the same thing as hatchet. Yeah, there's a certificate of authenticity. Boom. Warranty and stuff. Patches. And MCK01, everything about it. They did not ship out with their boxes, and you know what? That's how high-end knives should be. If they're gonna cost over $200, they can spend a little bit extra money on boxes. There's another little box over here. Let's just pull them all out. Wow, that's big box of stuff for sure. Two more things. Okay. Ooh, I seen that one before. Just didn't pay attention. You see there's a picture? Enough, because I wasn't familiar with the brand. But definitely gonna learn more about it. So yeah, there's a little holder. How do we take this out? There you go. Look at that. I guess you can hold it this way almost. That is cute. I love that double bead hatchet. Half-breed D2. So much steel in there. Wow, this is lovely. All these little holes. I like it a lot. And then you just put it away. Boom. And there's a latchet. Be careful with these latchets. I see some people cut them off, especially when they don't know what they're doing. They pull the knife out and chop that piece off. I mean, look at that. That is just satisfying to put your axe into here. That is so cool. Wow. And a huge envelope with your certificate of authenticity. Definitely collectible stuff right here. And one more. Half-breed blade brochure. Ooh. Yeah, definitely want one of each. Probably going to look into it. I see that they sent me one of that one of that one. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff they have on their brochure. I definitely might buy more and make a little unboxing video, because unboxing this kind of knives is definitely satisfying, because there's so much to unbox. I mean, just look at that. You don't see a knife box like that every day. And it's a double decker this time. They definitely care about their product. To box it like that, this is incredible. And there's a sticker right here with the shape of a knife. There's the name of it. So simple. Wow, that's a nice big knife, huge, thick, a fixed blade, goes all the way through, piece of metal, very comfortable, obviously. Wow, no way, the balance will be where you're actually going to hold it. That's a big deal, because you see they put more thickness on this end of the metal, so the balance is perfect, even though it's much longer. That is one of a kind. Not a lot of fixed blades like that. And you have it here, knife sheath. Which way do we put it? This way. Beautiful. Very easy to put it in and out. I'm amazed. You know what, guys, with this kind of knife holders, they're definitely usable, collectible, whatever. If you're a prepper, I would stock up on a couple of them. Or if you're just knife enthusiast, definitely would recommend it. And there's a bunch of stuff. Half-breed blades. Definitely going to do more unboxing, because that's a one-of-a-kind knife boxes. Just speechless. It's just so good. Never seen a knife in such a big, beautiful boxes. So that's what makes them so epic. And obviously knives is very unique too.